In the last lesson, we explored whether or not me singing a song that I write about hypothesis testing will increase students' engagement and learning. In our example, we pretended like we were testing this special musical lesson on a sample of 20 students, and then asking them to self-assess their learning and engagement in the course as a whole. Then we pretended that after getting the results from this pilot test, we found that both the average learning and engagement scores were above those of the entire population, all of whom, except for these 20 students, had not seen the musical lesson. Furthermore, we found that the probability of getting at least the mean learning score that we did in this pilot test was about 18%. So that's the probability of getting this mean or higher. However, the probability of getting at least the mean engagement score for these 20 students was less than 1%. So here's a way to sum up our findings. Here are the dependent variables, student engagement and student learning, and we found that when we tested this musical lesson on 20 students, we got these means for engagement and learning when students reported these measures on a scale from 1 to 10. And the probability of getting this mean was less than 0.01 or 1%. The probability of getting this mean was about 18%. And remember, that's when we look at where these means fall on the distribution of sample means from all samples of size 20. So now, do you think that these probabilities are likely or unlikely? At this point, there's no right or wrong answer. In fact, this is an example where statistics is up to your own interpretation, so tell us what you think.